This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Kenny Meyer. Open concept floor plan, completely updated interior, new roof. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is located in a secluded neighborhood just north of Macomb. Throughout the past year, this home has underwent a complete renovation. This includes updated electrical, plumbing, HVAC, flooring, bathroom, kitchen, and the list goes on. Seller is providing a $2,500 buyer credit for appliances along with a new front concrete patio and steps to the driveway. For more information, review the details below or contact Kenny Meyer at 309-255-0497.